Hi guys, welcome back to my channel wherein I share my beauty secrets and discovery with you all. And today I'm particularly excited because I'll be sharing my hair care routine which has transformed my locks, and this one is gonna be from L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. So if you're someone with damaged hair and yearn for having a good hair day, please make sure that you stick around till the end of the video because this range is gonna be becoming your new best friend. So let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, I was struggling with visible hair damage. They were brittle, they were extremely dry, straw-like and really dehydrated. And I was looking for a range which would help in addressing all the hair issues that I had. And that is when I stumbled upon this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range, and it was a complete game changer for me. It has a super ingredient which is keratin excess, which helps in tackling all the visible signs of hair damage and helps in revitalizing your hair. So guys, keratin excess is an integral part of this fantastic Total Repair 5 range. It has helped me in restoring the health of my hair back. They are full of life now and they're damaged. So guys, this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range has 3 important products. So the first one is going to be Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Next one is going to be Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. And the third one is going to be Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. And what's more to it, it has a beautiful red and white packaging which has a luxurious appeal. And guys, the best part about this packaging is there is absolutely no risk to leakage, and they're pleasantly lightweight, so you can carry them around even when you are traveling. As I have already told you earlier, this range consists of keratin excess, and keratin is a natural protein in our hair, and it is a superhero ingredient which is naturally present in our hair. So what it does is it helps in adding shine to the hair, it helps in making them stronger, helps in preventing the hair from splitting, reduces frizz and reduces hair damage which can be caused by things like harsh weather. So if you have damaged hair, using the product with the keratin will help in revitalizing it and repairing it, and also it helps in strengthening your hair from the root to the tip, and it will also help in making them stronger, helps in reducing the frizz and make them more manageable. It also helps in reducing hair breakage, helps in reducing the split ends that you have in the hair, and also helps in giving your hair a shiny look. The Total Repair 5 range uses keratin excess, which is a super effective beauty ingredient in its smallest form. So what it does is it penetrates deep in your hair and speed up the repair process, especially after the exposure to heat, coloring and styling. And now let me talk about how I incorporate this range in my daily hair care routine to reap the amazing benefits. So guys, the first one is gonna be this Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Now it comes in this rectangular bottle with a flip open cap, and the texture is gonna be creamy, smooth and pure white. And the best part is guys, this product has no parabens. It helps in reviving the health of your hair without making it heavy. This shampoo composed of keratin excess and repair concentrate, which helps in working on the 5 signs of damaged hair, mainly split ends, dullness, roughness, dryness. And after using this, my hair feels smoother, it looks shiny, and I also notice a significant reduction in the hair fall. After using the shampoo guys, I follow it up with this Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. Now it comes in this very easy to squeeze bottle that you can store upside down. Now this one has a creamy and smooth texture, and as I apply it on my hair, it gives my damaged hair the love that it needs, making them smoother and shinier. While reducing the split ends, it has a very refreshing and pleasant fragrance. The conditioner brings back the moisture to my hair, making it soft and easy to manage. Lastly guys, I apply L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. Now it comes up with this in this bottle which has a flip open cap. This one is very nice and secure, so there is no worries about the product spill. Also the cap is going to be the right size to take out the amount that you need. So I'll tell you what is cool about this serum. So it has ceramides and UV filters in it. So as soon as you apply it on your hair, it kind of creates a bond with the damaged hair. It sticks there, protect your hair from further damage and split ends. It also helps in making your hair super soft, easy to comb through, and keeps the frizz in check. So guys, I'm using this trio from quite some time now. I can say something for sure, and that is it certainly has made my hair full of life, more shinier and smoother, and those split ends has taken a back seat. And this one feels like having a hair spa treatment at the comfort of your home. So guys, this Total Repair 5 range has become my holy grail. Not only they help in repairing my damaged hair, also helps in restoring the health of my hair, making them more manageable. And do not just take my words for it, just go and try it out for yourself and see the magic happens for your hair. The good hair definitely requires some great product, and this is the range which has done that for me. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find this one helpful. The links to the range is hanging in the description box below. Just make sure that you go and check it out, and believe me, you'll not be disappointed at all. And I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.